Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Roshi and today I would like to talk about your emotions, how to handle them. Many of my students ask me what to do with my emotional state, what I don't want. For example, if I get angry or if I get jealous or some negative emotion that we human can often experience. Like we don't want them, but we can feel them. So my advice is do with them like you do with a human person, with your friends or with your enemy. You can look at your emotions like they are persons. So there are some good persons with you, there are some emotions who are friendly with you, and there are some emotions who are doing you harm. So with that one, that they are doing you harm, you can say to them, look, in the past we have spent many minutes, many months maybe together, but now it is time for me to not hang out with you anymore. So if you feel some negative emotion, say to them, okay, you was my friend, but now I don't want to be friend with you anymore. Please go away. And then try to ignore that emotions. So even for the people who are doing regularly some spiritual practice, or even if you are not doing anything, with that technique you can make your life more easy, because we all have some emotional vibration inside of us, and all of us can experience very low vibration to very high vibration. The lowest one in human consciousness is the vibration and the energy of the guilt. So this one is the worst. If you feel guilty for any reason, look at this emotion like a bad friend. Say, we will not be friends anymore. You can be in my consciousness because all of emotions are in our consciousness, and it is not possible to get rid of them. What we can do, we can just say, okay, you are here, but I don't want to spend my time with you. I want to spend time with some new friend, like peaceful feeling of goodness, for example. So if you experience a lot of bad energy of your emotions, try to deal with them like with the bad friends or with the friends you don't want to spend time with. Hope this advice you will find helpful, and then you can practice. Maybe from the beginning you will feel like it is not possible for you, but if you repeat, oh, I don't want to hang out with you, if you get the negative emotion, if it arises and then you feel it, you say, oh, I recognize you, I don't want to be friend with you anymore, and then go away. I will be friend with another good emotions. And if you repeat it daily, monthly, you will see that type of emotion will leave you alone. It is many times it is a misconception that spiritual person or enlightened person cannot feel the emotion, especially not the lower vibration like negative emotions. I'm telling you that in our consciousness, all the emotions from higher to lower vibrations are always. Just some of us have choose not to be friends with them and not to hang out with them. That's the difference. Not that with spiritual practice you get like, oh, I'm never angry, I'm never jealous, or I never feel any bad emotions. Actually, you have it all the time in your consciousness, but just choose not to deal with, not to be with them. even if they come for very short, and they say, oh, no, not my friend anymore. And this is the way spiritual people or people who want to develop more in their better state do. So I hope this advice is helpful, and I hope we will see each other in next video. Bye bye.